In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to underline text in Google Docs. If you want to make certain words stand out in your document, underlining is a quick and simple formatting tool to use. It can help emphasize headings, key phrases, or important details without changing the rest of your text. The good news is that Google Docs makes this very easy. To get started, go to your Google Doc. Open the document where you want to make the change and make sure the text you want to format is visible on the page. If you already have your document open, you're ready to move straight to the next part. Now click and highlight the word you want to underline. To do that, place your cursor at the beginning of the word, then click and drag across it until the text is selected. Once it's highlighted, Google Docs knows exactly which text you want to format. If you want to underline more than one word, you can highlight a full phrase or sentence in the same way. After your text is selected, look at the toolbar at the top of the Google Docs window. Find the U icon with a line underneath it. This is the underline button, and it's usually located between the italic icon and the text color icon. Click that underline icon once, and the selected text will immediately become underlined. That's all it takes. Your text is now underlined and will stand out more clearly in the document. As a helpful tip, make sure you highlight the correct word before clicking the underline button. If nothing is selected, Google Docs may apply underline formatting to anything you type next instead of changing existing text. So if that happens, just click the underline icon again to turn the formatting off. Also, keep in mind that underlining is best used for emphasis in moderation. If too much text is underlined, it can make the document harder to read rather than easier. Using it sparingly will help important words stand out more effectively. And that's how to underline text in Google Docs. Once you know where the underline button is, you can apply this formatting in just a few seconds whenever you need it.